So the first thing we want to do is fix the color of any video clip that we're working with. This is called color correction. So we've opened up Adobe Premiere Pro. We have our video clip on the timeline. And now we're going to go to Window at the top. And all the way down here, it says Lumetri Color. So we're going to click on Lumetri Color, and that will open up this panel right here. So the first thing we want to do is use the Basic Correction tab. So let's close the Creative tab by clicking on this small arrow. And now we're just going to open the Basic Correction tab. Okay, so make sure the clip you want to edit is selected. And now we can experiment with changing and correcting the color. So one thing you can do is click Auto, and that tells Premiere Pro to automatically correct the color. But we can also click Reset and try ourselves. So you can adjust the temperature. If you think it needs a little more warmth or it should be a bit cooler. You might adjust the saturation. If you think it needs to be a bit more vibrant. And anytime you want to reset everything, you can click on Reset. Or if you just want to reset one of these, you just double click. So let's say I want to reset the saturation level and leave everything else the same. I'm going to double click on saturation, and that's brought it back to the default state. So these are our options under color, but we can also experiment with correcting these options under light. So we can adjust the exposure, contrast level, highlights. You can lift the shadows or enhance the shadows, whites, and blacks. And if you want to see a comparison of the changes you've made now versus the original footage, you can click here on the FX and you can see the difference. So this is the first step when we do color correction. And now we can try color grading.